Hello guys, I am Alok Mishra and today I am going to discuss about important topic that is called inheritance, and I will tell you what is parent class and what is subclass and their and types of inheritance. It's a I hope about 10 to 12-minute video. So before starting our discussion, I want to tell you that it's my first trial. Later, it's my first trial, and I am trying to convey my lecture in English. I never conveyed before, so if there is any mistake while my speaking or delivering my whole lecture, so please mm, comment in comment section and tell me what my mistake is and how I can correct. So it will help you to improve my tone and fluency in English too. So, so we start for today. That first of all, I want to tell you that why inheritance came in picture in OOPS concept actually, if you know that object-oriented programming have main concern that how efficiently a programmer can reuse its written code. Means if I wrote a code somewhere, then how efficiently or how easily I can use that code. If you remember your procedural programming like C, then you know that if you have written any any function, then you can't access elsewhere. You did by making that particular file as header file, and you can include that header file on another file, then you can do it in same such a way, but it's not the right way to doing that thing. So how oops can oops concept handle with this. So oops actually what we can say that oops introduced a concept named as inheritance, and which enhances the reusability of a code. And if you write a code or a code or some part of code, then you can use it anywhere by using that concept, by using inheritance. Okay, then what actually inheritance says? Inheritance says if you have make if you have a class, then you can inherit that class to use their functionality or attribute. Wow, it's literally amazing. If I have written a part of code, then I can use that part of code by inheriting by inheriting it. Wow, it's literally amazing. So in inheritance there is a two type of classes. First of all, we call parent class or say based class. Actually it is that class by which other classes are inherited, by which other classes are inherited. And uh, parent oh sorry child class, or we can say derived class. Actually this class is actually that mm, by which is in which inherits by some class, which inherits some class. Okay, so we completed our basic idea, and now I introduce the types of inheritance. Actually, there are five types of inheritance, and four are mentioned here. If you look there, then that is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Or one is not there, that is hybrid inheritance, and that is used. but not so. So we start a discussion with single inheritance, and I only discuss about single inheritance in that particular video, and others will be on another part. Then what is actually single inheritance is, it says make a class, and if that class is inherits by a single parent class, that is known as single inheritance. If I am a child and I have only one parent, that relation or that way of doing code is known as what? Single inheritance. So we take an example, and it's very common example. Just make a class named as parent. I made it that its name is parent, and I just define. I didn't do much, but I just define a class named as what? It's prints, and that method takes a single argument, that's an instance, and I just try to print what I just parent class is called. Parent class is called. So I completed my child class. Parent class. Now I define a class another, that is child class. And what actually child class did? How we inherit? It's very simple. For inheriting means a child class which inherits parent class. It's by simple just writing a braces and name of that class to which it inherits. So it's simple. By writing parent means child is inherit parent class, and simply I just define a method named as display, and that display method did what it did. It takes a single argument called self, and or we did or no. So and what it prints? It actually prints only child class is called child child class is called. So we completed our basic structure of child class and parent class. Now we then how and think how we can access parent class method by using child class. So it's very simple in Python or any oops language, oops related language, that just make a object of child class and call by method name of parent class which you want to call. It's very simple. Just make an object. I make it object of child class which takes no argument now, and I did. Okay. Then how we can access that print class? No, print method. It's very simple. Just uh, by writing object and the name of method which you want to call print, and look what it did. It prints parent class is called. It did what? Right? Parent class is called. Have you got what actually happened? It's simply I make a simple object of child class, and by making object of that child class, I called the method of parent class, and it works. Literally, it works. And we try to call our child method to by that object, and for which I made add a cell and try it that what display, and when I call it, it prints child class is called also. Means a object of child class have both functionality of their their class too, and as well as of their parents too, as we have as a common man have that we have some functionality of our ancestors and us too, same as OOPS programming works. I hope you got my idea, what I am trying to say or what I'm trying to deliver, and I hope you at least get something. If you don't didn't get anything, then please tell me, and I want to clarify in next video or upcoming videos. So if you like, then please like my lectures and share my lectures and subscribe my channel. If you didn't, then please suggest me how I can make it well. So I hope you did well and I did too. So that's for today. Thank you and have a nice day.